Hey guys, I just got a slime from, I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, Gucci's. Kind of sounds like goat cheese, but it's Gucci's. And it's adorable. And it's clear slime. Clear. Sorry, I can't really show. Clear. And it came with a few extras. It came with the sticker that goes on top. It also came with a little eraser. Let me focus it. Focus better when it's like that. A little eraser that I'm never gonna use because I'll probably save it. And then a heart eyes emoji. Sorry, the glare. The glare. A heart eyes emoji tattoo. It's a temporary tattoo, so it comes off. And then it also came with a baggie. Oh, okay. It also came with like a baggie of borax. And then it came with my invoice, but it's in my slime box, which is right here. That's my invoice. And I wanted to show you guys some poking of my slime. So I will set you guys up somewhere.
Melissa, do not pick up the phone.
I know.
Anybody call them together.
So I will set
Next
you
week
up
you
and
get
I can show you.
Next week you'll get your minutes. Maybe even this week, okay?
Okay. Sorry. So this is my slime, and I'm gonna set you up so I can somewhat see ya. Here. I'm just gonna set you right there while I get the container open. And I did have to put a little bit of activator, but this came from Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City. And it's literally the best. Oh, it came out right there. Like, it didn't even, oh my god, I put my finger and it went phew. I wish I caught that on. I think you guys didn't see it, but I wish you guys did. Man. Oh man, that's fine. So this is the container. It's a 4-ounce container with clear slime in it. So I'm going to do some poking. Sorry. Sometimes holding it is the best idea. Oh no. Oh. So when that happens, when it gets stuck to me kind of, because it's still kind of sticky, but it's okay if it's a little bit sticky. I just like to roll it and it helps. And it definitely does help. It is very, very nice. It's a very nice slime. Very, very nice slime. And I think this is one of the best slimes that I have ever had. One of the best. We'll see when my foam slime comes. I will show you guys me unboxing it. And guys, I'm not spoofing you. And if the Gucci slime, if I'm saying I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but I think I am. I'm giving my personal opinion. Not because I'm on YouTube and I'm going to say, oh, my slime's better, or I'm just giving a good example. This is a really good slime. It's very stretchy. It's not the clearest slime, like how it looked on the website. On the website, it looked a lot more clear. but I'm fine. It came from all the way from Oklahoma City. So, all the way through the mail. I think. It's fine. That's fine. It's still clear when I stretch it. Oops, sorry. It's still very clear when I stretch it. And all I really wanted was a nice slime for me to poke and like make bubbles out of it. Oh, I just made an amazing bubble. And that I can like lightly squish, not squish too bad. And I got a 4 ounce in a glass container. So I'm gonna do some more poking and then the video will be over. Let's get started with some more poking. So, it might have like a yellower tint as close as I can get to it. So, yeah, that's really basically my slime. Ooh, let me do it with this hand. Oh no, you can see the reflection of the tin. And yes, the Adidas box is my slime box. My Adidas box is my slime box. So you might be seeing like an Adidas logo. That's because it's a shoe box. You gotta improvise, you know that? I'm trying to look at you guys and I'm also trying to look at the slime. So it's kind of hard. Woo! Bonanza. Okay, so bye. Say bye. Say bye. One last poke. Sorry, my finger got stuck.